Welcome. Uh, Before I start, I just want to thank the viewers that left comments in the previous video with regards to sharpening of the end mill. All the information that they've given me with regards to uh, the rake angles of the end mills and the application of them. It's greatly appreciated. Not only are you helping me, you're also helping the YouTube community, because I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that doesn't know. Okay, you'll see I've got a piece of bar here in front of me. Now I want to make toe clamps, something similar to this. Only difference is this pocket here is not going to be milled out for a cap screw, but it will be for a normal bolt. So it will look something similar to my strap clamps. I'm also going to cut in this small little recess here, just to give it a little bit of a foot in the front, and then do the back end with a round edge here for where that foot or a bolt that is going to go in the back. So it's a very simple project. Now I've made this before. It's for my brother, it's for a CNC machine. Now I've made him a set of 4 clamps that's 150 millimeters long, but now he was saying that it's too short. Now the distance between the holes in the bottom board, the board of his CNC router is a bit far apart, so whenever he has got a smaller piece of wood to clamp in the router, then it doesn't reach. So yeah, so I'm gonna make a set of clamps that's 40 millimeters longer. Now I'm also gonna make the nose, which is this end here, a little bit longer. Gonna maybe go for 50 millimeters, or no, not 50, 40. Reason for that is the bolt hole is gonna sit here at the back. So that I don't need anything in the front, because he's got a set that's pretty close up to the front of the nose. So that's not an issue. This will be only for long reach. So in order to save myself a lot of milling, I'm gonna offset it back quite a bit. So yeah, let's get started. quite surprised with this end mill that I got from JLC MC. Now I've taken a 0.5mm depth of cut on this machine. This thing will chatter like crazy, and it went through here without any complaints, and the surface finish is absolutely stellar. Okay, now instead of using a vice stop, another trick that you can use is just to clamp your two parts together. And then when you turn it around, the two parts will be in alignment with each other. All these guys are finished, and I'm very happy with the outcome. All tapped, run it off. Now the running is not precise, doesn't need to be. It's just a toe clamp that needs to be used, it's not a precision tool. And it's quicker to do it on a belt sander than to set up a rotary table. So I hope you enjoyed this build. I know I've done this before, but these things are super long, 190 millimeters. Until next time, cheers.